Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to forcefully close any apps and program that was stuck on your Windows 11. So for example, I have opened one mail app, so the app was not closing, the app was stuck on my Windows 11. To forcefully close this app, you can use two methods. So first method is this guys, you can use this shortcut key. Hold Alt key button and press F4 from your keyboard. With this help of shortcut key, you can easily able to forcefully close this app. So guys, if the shortcut key is not working on your Windows 11, you can try another method. So you want to open the task manager on your Windows 11. Use this shortcut key to open the task manager. Hold Control key plus Shift key button and press Escape from your keyboard. And now it will open the task manager on your Windows 11 as you can see. And here you can get the option favor detail. Just extend this and here you can get the all open apps on your Windows 11. So my mail app was stuck on my PC. Just select that app and just click on end task. That's it. This method will forcefully close the stuck app on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.